40% of Jamaicans believe that municipal corporations have performed poorly over the past 7 years. The findings were contained in the latest RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll. 14 municipal corporations across Jamaica, including the one in Portmore. They are responsible for aspects of local governance, including garbage collection, the maintenance of markets, streetlights, giving building permits, and other licenses. With the local government election set for February 26, 1,010 registered voters across all parishes were asked to rate the performance of their local authority over the last 7 years. 4 out of 10 Jamaicans said their performance was poor or very poor, and 40% said their performance was average. Only 20% of those interviewed gave municipal corporations a positive rating. So, what factors influenced their perception? 6 out of 10 Jamaicans said their councillors were missing in action. 57% said road construction was very poor. 26% complained about the lack of access to water. 23% about jobs not being created, and another 10% were not pleased with the lack of green spaces. Now, the municipal corporations also got a negative rating on some of their specific functions. For minor road repairs, they got a negative performance rating of 60%. And when it comes to drain maintenance, the negative performance rating stood at 52%. Water quality also got a negative performance rating of 35%. Also of significance, the maintenance of markets, maintenance of public spaces, public signs, and cemeteries. In the meantime, 56% of voters said municipal corporations had the capacity to manage the granting of building permits. 11% said they do not have the capacity, while 33% were not sure. The RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll was done between February 2 and 7 and has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%.